What's up, guys? I'm Eric and you're watching Savage Garden. And if you're new to this channel, take the time right now to like, subscribe. But in this video, we're going to talk about that best bang for your buck. Sorry, brain fart. But last video, we talked about getting the best bang for your buck. And one of the ways of doing that is to buy multiple plants in one container for the price of one, then separating them. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do it with confidence. So in this pot we have okra. These are going to be the green okra heirloom, spineless. What I like to do before I decide to take these out is I like to really hydrate these roots. Now you might be asking yourself, where do I get a cool little tray like this? Honestly, I don't know where I got this from, but it may have came from Whataburger back in the day, or if you're from Texas, Waterburger. But yeah, I like to really hydrate these roots. I've already started, so you can already see that there's a lot of water already flowing through the bottom. From then, I like to really secure my plants by holding at the base, try not to mess them up, and then simply just let it come out. If you have problems getting yours out of this container, just squeeze it, and then they'll just give you enough, I don't know, air, to get it out of there. It works. Just listen to me. Then I like to decompress just by pressing down, kind of get those root balls out of the way, and then start separating. See, you end up with big chunks like this if you hydrate your soil first, and it'll just allow this to kind of pull away without harming your plants. I like to do this tray like this because I keep the soil, and when I do germinations, I'll use this same soil for it later. But as you can see, just easy, a few little presses, and you kind of get more and more of this off, and before you know it, you've separated the roots. So it seems like I'm having a little issues when we get to the bottom. I don't want to rip these roots. I have water in this bottle. This was an old Powerade bottle I drank like a day or two ago. I poked holes in here and I can just wet this up real good. Now, without me pushing anymore, you can see that there's more roots already exposed, and it easily allows me to separate them without harming the roots or ripping them in any aspect. And that's how you take one purchase and turn it into 4 separate plants. Now I'm gonna get these in the ground because shooting this video took a lot longer than I thought it was. And also I have kids. They're probably yelling in the background, fist fighting. My wife's behind the camera because I can't do anything by myself. Also, I struggled with getting this image. Like, I know I'm dark and the camera's working bad. Wrong time of the day to shoot the video. I'm saying all these problems because if I can get it done, you can get it done. Now we're gonna go back to a nice shot. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I really appreciate you watching it. If you liked what you've seen or got some kind of information that's gonna be useful to you, take the time right now to like, subscribe, and check out future videos. If you have any comments about how to do this, or even if you know how to do it better than me, leave a comment down below. That's gonna be useful to me and the community. I really appreciate you guys. I'm Eric, and you're watching Savage Garden. We out.